So what if I told you that for a $99 a month investment, you could literally change your life? I mean, we're talking about up to $10,000 in income a month in basically passive cash flow with just a little bit of work. And what if I told you that the $99 payment would totally stop after 20 months? That's basically what our Black Friday deal is. What I'm talking about here is investing in a system that pays you. And if you're wondering if there's a plan for this or training for this, there is. So we have completed all of the training. There's a 5-day agency startup challenge that's included with this. And it includes everything you need. I mean, we're talking about a complete funnel system. We even provide you with the funnel. We provide you with the lead magnet that you need to put out there to attract new leads. We provide you with a plan to convert those leads into paying customers. And the strategy that we propose doesn't have to be the strategy you use. It's your business. But we have a pretty good one in mind. So our Black Friday deal basically gives you 50 enterprise workspaces, which is our top workspace. Normally, we charge $299 a month for this. If you pay annually, I think it's $399 a month if you pay monthly. And you guys get all of that for 20 payments of just $99. No startup fee, no exit fee, that's it. So the strategy we have in mind is, now that you're sitting on all of these 50 workspaces, which is a pretty tremendous amount of inventory, basically the ability to onboard 50 clients at any price point, the thought is this: okay, why not give $99 workspaces? So if you're offering to a client that you would handle their daily social posting for just $99 a month, if you could fill all 50 of those, well, that's your first $5,000. And the way I get to $10,000 is this: you're also going to offer a $2,500 a month plan for people that want full service. We're talking about you would be using our AI writer to create a complete story for them, and you would blog for them using our AI writer, and all of the other modules would be unlocked for all of your clients. So you would be able to jump into the AI writer and just start performing these actions for them. It's already going to be done for you within the system. There's just a little bit of input on your end, and you'll be able to deliver on these $2,500 a month plans. So the reason you have 50 people at $99 is so you can find 2 that are willing to pay $2,500. So the $99 a month plans that you're offering, basically you're just going to be giving them automated daily social posts, which we write on your behalf. So you're going to be consistently delivering to them. The onboarding process will be silky smooth and will not involve you. We will automatically go to their websites, crawl it, pull in their logos, add it as a watermark to all of the social posts that go out every day. We will ask them information that will populate the AI writer, so you will already know their tone of voice, what their call to actions are. We'll include those call to actions in their daily social posts. Everything's done for you, so you will already be delivering for them using very, very little of your own time. The reason that's important is, if you're following up with 50 people who you are delivering for at a very low price, they will trust you. At some point, the agency they are currently using will trip. There's going to be an issue. There's going to be a change of staff, something that annoys that client. You only need 2 of those 50 people to jump on board to your $2,500 a month plan in order for you to be making $10,000 a month. So the idea is to just consistently deliver with your low dollar introductory package, so you can poach at least 2 of those 50 people and convert them into full service clients. So if you're concerned at all about how you're going to perform as somebody who maybe has never run an agency, never worked for an agency, maybe has never done marketing, it's really done for you now. AI has grown by leaps and bounds in its capabilities, and we have the absolute latest baked right into our system. So all you need to do is sell, and we provide you with the entire funnel for you to move people through to convert them to clients. So your main job, your main concern should be how to get new clients. So just to give you a little bit of insight into what it's going to look like when you start the 5-day challenge, one of the first things we encourage you guys to do is to pick a niche. So if you're listening to this right now and you work for a company, you've worked within an industry for a while, you probably have some contacts within that industry. That is most likely going to be your niche. Once you decide on a niche, we provide you with a complete funnel that has a lead magnet that provides great value into that niche for free. So there's your lead gen. The next stage of the funnel is to convert. And to convert people at the $99 price point, we propose that you create an industry domination bundle. And we provide most of the assets that are included in that, including the ongoing support, the ongoing daily posting, so you can actually deliver quite a bit of value in exchange for just $99 for something that's industry specific. That's what really is going to set you apart. If you go look at 99.9% of the tools out there, they are not industry specific at all. You know, go check out Buffer or Hootsuite. There's nothing industry specific about them. It treats all customers the same. That is not an offer. And what I'm proposing to you guys is that you create a killer industry domination bundle offer. Fortunately, our Agency Pro system supports unlimited industry specific offers. So you're going to be able to create multiple funnels. You probably don't need to, but if you want to and you have expertise in a few industries, you can create 3 funnels, one for each industry. So the idea here is you're never going to escape your current job unless you create a flywheel. A flywheel is something in the business world that is basically a series of automations that is able to onboard new leads, convert those leads into paying clients. And until that happens, it's going to be extremely difficult to quit your day job. I did it. You know, I freed myself from the daily droning work hour mess. And there were days that I enjoyed going to work and there were days that I didn't. But I knew that for my family to spend more time with me, it was going to require a big change in my life. And it was a huge sacrifice. One that you will not have to make to the degree that I did, because I had to build the entire system from scratch. And now I'm basically handing that entire system to you for just $99 a month for 20 months. So you're at a huge advantage here. There's a huge opportunity for you to follow my path, and you can go for beautiful walks like this every morning. And that's the long-term goal. Not all of you will get there, but I believe I provide enough resources for you to get there if you apply yourself and work hard, figure out your niche, and figure out what is it in the mind of a potential customer within your niche that would compel them to take advantage of your lead gen offer. Focus on that. Then you're going to focus on what do they need to believe to be true in order for them to spend $99 of their hard-earned money every month to free themselves of the daily grind of posting to social media, because so many of them do not want to get stuck in that grind. It's a grind posting daily, and we've created a system that will do it for them automatically. And the only gate that they need to pass through is by taking advantage of one of your industry domination bundles. So you're just that one yes away from getting your first $100 a month client. And as you build from there, I'll be right here to support you. And that first one will pay for your entire $99 payment. So just getting that one client will break you even in all of your expenses. And every time from there that you jump up another client, that's all profit that you keep. We do not keep a percentage of any of your revenue. So I hope you give this some serious thought. This is just a proposal. We have a total of 60 slots that we are offering this year, and we've already filled quite a few of them. So I'll keep doing these videos throughout Black Friday. It ends December 2nd, and I hope you are one of the 60 people that I get to support and help create your agency, get it launched, starting with the 5-day challenge. You know, we're all here for you. There is a private Facebook group that you're going to have access to. There's a community of people that want to see you succeed. So I'm just looking forward to seeing you on the other side of this once you get your hands on one of these Black Friday 50 packs. So anyway, if you have any questions, we're always here We've upgraded our live chat to 24/7, and they're all direct hires now, so they do a much better job of answering your questions. And looking forward to seeing you guys in the private Facebook group.